Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce our car stereo RCD360 PRO3S. That is the best version of our RCD series. And this is the only one could support wireless Apple CarPlay and also wireless Android Auto. After about 10 months about this radio come to market, we are still upgrading the features. But today I'd like to talk about some questions about how to connect the cameras. Just like this one, that is the flip cameras from Volkswagen, and also this one is RGB, very common cameras you can see. Before 2012, that all the cameras for Volkswagen are use RGB ports, just like this. And after that, Volkswagen upgrades the camera codes to AV ports, just like this one. So that is our first questions which we answer. The why some customer use this camera, and they found that there's no ports or no rack ports for their radios. So we also have such kind of adapters, and these adapters with decoder. The one port with AV ports and the other ones with RGB. So people could use these decoders to transform the data from both sides. But you should know that there is two types of decoders. One is only for Passat, and the other one is for other cars. Okay, the next one is the flip camera. So let me show you how it works. Just connect it with backlight. There it goes. That is a common use now in the latest version of cars. After Passat 7 generation, then the old camera became this one. It's got better quality and also with a very good resolution. I should say most cars can upgrade to this one. Also, I have suggestions for this RGB camera. You could also upgrade this one to the latest version with previous same in style, also with AV port. That will be more stable and also better resolution. Okay, that is today for our explanation. Thanks.